Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to make homemade baked macaroni and cheese. So for this recipe you will need eggs, cheese, ebony noodles, heavy cream, a little flour. So let's get started. I have my noodles here. I have already boiled my noodles. So you just want to boil your noodles until they are dealt. So now I'm just going to add my whipping cream. So I'm just going to add just a little bit right now. Mix that around. Next, I'm gonna add my 2 eggs. Next, you want to add your cheese. Whatever kind of cheese you want, you can add. So this is 4 steak cheese that I just added. So I'm gonna mix that up. Next, I'm gonna put the rest of my 4 steak cheese in there. Next, I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese in there. That's a big piece of mozzarella. And you want to stir that around in there. Next, I'm going to add the rest of my whipping cream. Stir that around. It's beginning to get really creamy. That's what you want. And I'm going to add a little flour. So next, I'm gonna add, just some more cheese. Like I said, whatever kind of cheese you want, you add it. I want it super cheesy. Yep, super. Ooh, I am making a mess. cheesy. So now I'm just gonna add just a little bit of butter, which I have some melted butter here. It doesn't matter if it's melted or not. Just add just a little bit. I should have got a bigger pot. Add just a little more flour, just a little bit. You don't want to add too much flour. Like that. So look at that, super creamy and cheesy. So now you're just gonna add just a tab of salt, you know, add it to your desirement, and black pepper. And just stir it up. And now we're just gonna place it in our pan and put it in the oven. Now I'm gonna put it in my pan. I'm gonna place my oven on 350. I'm gonna put my pan here, and I sprayed my pan, so you want to make sure you spray your pan. I forgot to tell you guys that. And pour all that goodness in there. Look at that. If it weren't for the raw eggs in here, I would eat this as is. So now that I have it in my pan, all I'm gonna do now is top it off with a little more cheese. Like that. And I'm gonna place it in the oven, and I will let you guys know how long I cooked it for. Our mac and cheese came out of the oven, so I baked it for 30 minutes. So now all I'm gonna do now is just sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. And if you want, you could place it back in the oven and place it on broil to let it brown on top after the Parmesan cheese. Or you can leave as is. So, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my homemade baked macaroni and cheese. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel so that you won't miss an upload. Be sure to like and also comment on this video below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.